as you guys know, we partake in resin.
Liberally.
We love resin, and we've even used it to make stained glass. So when we saw this kit for DIY stained glass, we were very excited.
And then immediately suspicious. I think that we have to kind of debunk this, see if it looks like it does in the photos, and then if it doesn't, we're gonna try to recreate it for real out of resin.
So first off, look at the materials used.
Yeah.
It's little plastic pellets, basically, that you're supposed to melt in the oven. But look at these examples.
Okay, well, first off, I think that's kind of cool.
It is cool. It is cool.
This is kind of like super basic 3D printing. This is basically just gonna be like piling a whole bunch of thermoplastics in the puddle, letting them melt and solidify again. So like, it is kind of cool. I just think that they resorted to false advertising. Look at that unicorn right there. Look at the iridescent sheen of it.
Yeah.
I don't think that's gonna be possible.
I don't think so either. And I'm not even sure if you look at these various colors, there's a lot of variation in there. I'm not sure if you're gonna get that variation.
Yeah, even like the yellow and orange right there.
Hello.
I think that's gonna be very hard to get that like, you know, really organic effect. We might be blown away. Who knows?
Maybe we're just being really harsh on this craft kit for children. But
well, no. There's even more. Why do they include a paintbrush? Look at that paintbrush.
Hello?
That paintbrush will not be used in this craft kit. It is useless. That's false advertising right there. I will guarantee you, I will bet you $1 million that we do not use a paintbrush.
Are you betting them or are you betting me?
Yeah, if I lose this, I'm gonna have to send all of you guys $1 million. It's gonna be a very expensive video.
We shouldn't commit to that.
Step 1, ask an adult, hello, to preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Don't use a microwave, blah, blah, blah. Step 2, cover your cookie sheet with aluminum foil. Your foil should be smooth and wrinkle-free to create a glass-like sun catcher.
Oh, I mean, it's okay. There's fingerprints all over it.
That's fine. For a textured look, crinkle your aluminum foil.
Oh, what about for a fingerprinty look?
You can do that too. Wow, would you look at that? It's actually metal. These are actually legit metal.
I thought it would be plastic.
I thought it was going to be like, you know, higher temperature thermoplastic, but it's actually...
I guess since you're putting it in the oven.
Now I do notice that they include sprinkles.
Glitter?
Glitter.
Yeah, it's a very small amount. Good thing we have much more.
Much more if needed.
And the beads. Choose your frame, place it flat side down on your baking sheet.
And then pour the
color crystals
into the frame.
How do you know how many to pour?
Pile as many as possible in the center, then level them off to the frame's edge. As they melt, they'll flow evenly into the sides of your frame. Be sure to keep a whole top empty right there to hang it.
So pile as many as you can?
Yeah.
Try to recreate this unicorn look, and you're gonna try to recreate the gold, like the gold of the star?
Yeah, I'm gonna try to recreate it like as it's shown on the box.
Yeah, me too. I'm gonna use up all of these.
Oh, the white. Oh, yeah.
You know?
Yeah. You're just gonna sprinkle like some of each bead color in like rows through it? Yeah, I think that's cool. Oh my gosh, Kaylin, I'm making the More You Know star.
Oh,
wow, yours is looking great.
Thank you, thank you.
You think we should hang these in the catio? Like little like sun catcher decorations for the juvie.
They might melt.
They might melt. No, well these melt at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Hopefully
the catio is not getting that hot.
If the catio is 375 degrees Fahrenheit, we have other issues.
Yeah.
Wow.
Do you think we're ready?
I think we're ready.
Okay.
That was great. We almost forgot the glitter though.
Oh my God. Why did you say you think we're ready?
Ready for the glitter.
Okay.
But first, I need a nap.
You gonna go lay down on the couch?
No, I'm gonna get an entirely new mattress thanks to today's sponsor, Helix Sleep.
We've actually needed a new mattress in our guest room for years now, and we wanted one that us and our guests would really love.
Helix Sleep makes premium mattresses and bedding shipped right to your door.
And thanks to their sleep quiz, you can get the mattress that's right for you and or all of your guests. We wanted one that was an all-around crowd pleaser suited to any sleeping position.
We also opted for the Glaciotex cooling cover because we come from families of sweaty sleepers.
We found our new mattress to be extremely comfy yet supportive, but even more importantly, our guests like it too.
So enough about your life. What do you think about our new mattress? She loved it. Plus, with Helix Sleep, you get a 100-night trial, 10-year warranty, free shipping in the US, plus financial options and flexible payment plans.
We love our Helix, and we think you would love one too. So click the link below or go to helixsleep.com/EvanCaitlin for up to $200 off your mattress plus 2 free pillows.
That looks beautiful. Look at that.
I'm gonna try to get it on just the white area.
Yep. I think just use all of it.
Ooh. All of it. What if it interferes with the melting?
Oh, that's a lesson learned then. Honestly, wow.
I'm pretty excited.
I'm pretty excited. That's already looking cool right now.
I know.
And my star?
It looks like the More You Know star.
Yeah. There you go.
Let's carefully carry these to the oven.
Right. Melt our creations. Melt. Yes, we can see them. Oh my gosh, we're gonna have to check in a few times.
Or we can just wait till they're ready.
No, I wanna see them mid-melt.
You wanna set up a time lapse?
Yeah. All right, and now for something we're a little bit more comfortable with. You know what time it is.
Resin time, resin time. Do resin time. Okay, so there's 2 more frames, so we're each gonna do one out of resin, and instead of trying to duplicate the 2 designs that these ones show on the front, we want to see if we can recreate the designs we just tried to get with the plastic beads.
Yeah, I really want to go for like that cool gold. I want to go for the cool yellow. I want to go for the iridescent.
Cool gold, cool yellow, iridescent.
I'm going to start with the gold, honestly.
Yeah, go for it.
So the light is going to be coming from the right side. That's where the highlight is, right here, you see?
Yes. And before we put these down, we actually would seal the edges with hot glue. So hopefully this resin is not gonna leak out. Now it could very well leak between cells, so we wanna work a little fast.
I might have used up most of the purple already.
Oh my God.
Although this is looking so pretty. Wow. Oh, there is a little bit of leakage right here.
I have some leakage too, can you cure me?
Yep, I've cured you.
Thank you, I'm cured. What did you cure me of?
Leakiness.
Yay!
Caitlin's no longer leaking.
Free.
So I'm having a lot of fun with this too.
Yeah, I mean, wait, that wasn't ready.
Oh, sorry.
I can't touch it. I was gonna mix my blue seal with the green. I did not tell you. Just watch me, sir. How dare you?
Fun, fun, fun. I could just do this in my free time.
We kind of are.
Yeah. Caitlin.
I'm trying to be precise.
Caitlin's having dosage control issues. Oh, okay. Can I have a, we need to extract that orange. Oh, yeah, it was leaking over here too. Oh gosh. You know, that's okay. Should I engage the super light?
Let's engage the super light.
Super light, come save us. Whoa, look at that glow down there.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, there's a party down there.
It is a party. Okay, so we'll let this cure.
Yeah, 5 to 10 minutes, and it should be.
We'll go check on our ones that are in the oven.
Yeah.
And then we'll compare. So it said that these should take 20 to 25 minutes to melt. It's been 45 minutes. They're not melting, but I feel like we should take them out anyway. They're kind of melted, but it's definitely still beads.
It definitely like is very textured, but like it's starting to smell. It doesn't smell good. It doesn't smell good.
I don't want this to pop. You know, you take a cookie sheet out.
I got it with a thick one.
Yeah, that was smart.
Yeah.
So like the star.
Whoa, look right there. Oh, there wasn't enough. You see the pink goop stretching out and everything?
Look, I think if it had melted more,
yeah,
it would have been enough.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
So we gave the kit a little bit more time to see if it would settle out, and
it's so bad, guys. Look at how like gappy that is.
We really piled it up as far as we could.
Yeah, but also it's like if you see, there's some areas where it's over the metal. We both did too little and too much at the same time.
The middle section with the white and the glitter didn't melt at all.
The glitter didn't melt. The glitter didn't melt.
Here is one thing that I will point out. You know how you're like, what's this brush for? This is gonna be used for everything, for anything? Anyways, it says you can add a little extra sparkle by brushing to spread the glitter over your crystal design.
You mean you just don't like...
I don't know if we should have just dumped the entire thing in.
Yeah, because everywhere where the glitter is the worst.
Yeah, that's where it's...
The glitter didn't melt almost at all. I think the glitter was supposed to get like sucked up by the lower melt thermoplastic.
I think the glitter like protected the plastic under it from melting.
Yeah.
Like, it's real bad.
Oh yeah, there's a lot of glitter coming off. Okay, on this side, it's still bad.
I mean, I guess if this is the effect you're going for, but this is not the effect I was going for. Like, this is not what it looks like at all. And again, like, I don't know if we could have piled on more beads. It would have just covered the metal.
It would have just, because like, there's the metal's already covered.
Yeah.
So I think overall, I mean, I'm feeling kind of eh.
I'm feeling a little eh about these.
The more you fail.
But let's see how our resin ones pop off.
Now we're gonna apply a little bit of alcohol all the way around the corners.
The hot glue.
Yeah, because evidently hot glue doesn't like getting drunk. Ooh, yeah.
Is it detaching from the metal as well? Oh yeah.
Yeah. All right, I'm gonna take it easy. Hey, not bad. Look at that.
Pretty clean.
Pretty clean. Notice there's no gaps. All right, let's get yours out. Oh yeah. Much easier, probably because it's an easier shape. Wow.
Okay.
Clean. Perfect release, honestly.
Well, I think before we make a final judgment, we should put these in the sun. That's how they're meant to be seen.
Yeah.
In sunlight. Okay.
Alrighty, well these sure are textured.
The sun brings out the texture.
The sun truly brings out the texture. We might be able to fix these though.
Nah.
We fill them with resin. I think the resin worked pretty well. What do you think?
Yeah, the sparkles really come out in the sun.
Yeah, and I think the only good thing I can say about the kit is that the metal frames are kind of nice.
The metal frames are kind of nice, but you know what's weird?
What's that?
You know which one is kind of my favorite, despite everything? No, it's the Dirt Bead The More You Know star. You like?
No.